Hey everyone, Judd Burden here with Asphalt Kingdom. I am so excited to be here with Mr. John Evans, president of Everline Coatings and Services. And we are so excited to be able to provide you with some tremendous value around what it is that I believe you may be missing and that we can certainly tie you into to make your life feel a little bit more powerful, structured, and partnered with an incredible organization. So many of you have come in through our Asphalt Maintenance Start Your Own Business courses. You've seen our YouTube videos, and you've essentially come to this place in your journey where you're deciding whether or not you're going to start your very own asphalt maintenance company and create the freedom that you're looking for. And let me tell you, doing this alone is not always the easiest thing in the world to do. Of course, at Asphalt Kingdom, we're always here to help support and guide you. But at the end of the day, I met this incredible person just over a year ago, John Evans, who's on camera right now with us, and he's going to be sharing great value on this during this conversation. But I met John, and it immediately became apparent to me that he's a genuine, incredible human being that really cares about people. And not just caring about people, but providing the structure and framework you need to build your very own business and be tied with a power brand and the framework you need to really spread your wings and fly. So welcome, Mr. John Evans. Thank you so much for being here with us, and so excited to share this value with everyone watching.
Hey, Judd, thank you so much. I think it's fantastic that we're at a point that we're able to spread our wings and start spreading out the idea of a franchise business in this industry and space. And it's not only just one way of doing it. Like, you can go and absolutely start in your own and whatnot, but by adding the power of a brand, of a franchise, you're adding so many more tools to your toolbox when you are starting your own business. So super excited to chat with you more about this.
Fantastic, man. Yeah, we've started, hundreds and hundreds of people with their very own businesses in the industry, and equipment and supplies are just kind of a byproduct. We've had these conversations behind the scenes several times. It's not about the equipment and supplies. It's really about what it is that the framework enables you to be tied to in order to reach your full potential. An example around that could be marketing. It could be finances. It could be sales processes. It could be quality of service applications. So can you tell us a little bit about why, somebody who might be wanting to start their own business, but may not be willing to pull the trigger just yet? Can you help us understand how somebody would benefit and thrive from being a part of a powerful brand like Everline as they push forward?
Sure. Well, the way I would really kind of put it in this way is, think about it. If you're looking to start a hamburger joint, it really, you got to ask yourself, is it the best hamburger? Say you do the absolute best work out there or whatnot. That's only a drop in the bucket as to what makes a really highly successful, scalable business work. So is McDonald's the best hamburger out there? Far from it. They're pretty good, but not a gourmet burger. But they are the biggest. Why? Because of everything else. It's their entire training system for not only their franchisees, but for their people, the marketing, the branding behind it, all the systems and procedures to make the franchisees' businesses be able to run in the most highly effective way possible. And that's how we built it at Everline, is with that in mind, is that there is a MEDA, like a most efficient tactics available. And that's what we're applying to this industry. And so when we've had people that are saying, hey, listen, I'm looking to start my own business, I just don't know exactly where to start. This is kind of the way that we're looking to build it, is growing with together as a group and being able to support our franchisees in a really thorough way. So we're not just great at applying, completing the work, applying the seal coat, filling in the cracks, doing the line painting, anything like that. But we're also great at marketing. We're marketing machines. We're marketing and sales machines. We know how to get tons of commercial business, tons of residential business, how to generate that word of mouth, how to really just grow a business in there. Then you have to be able to manage that growth of your business. How do you know when I got to hire somebody? How do I train that person? We have systems all related to that. Then finally, we have on the back end of the business is, how do you make sure that you're running your business with KPIs, key performance metrics, for us to be able to pull information from your business into data. And then we're able to say, hey, listen, you're a little low in sales here because of this number. we're going to increase that, and your sales will increase. It's a fact. It's a statistical certainty, and that sort of thing.
You know, that to me is so impressive, because I know that there's a lot of people out there that are feeling alone in the dark and in the fog and not knowing, where to turn. And let me tell you, running down a dark hallway and running into things that you don't necessarily know that are there can hurt pretty bad. So do you find that with your franchisees that you currently have with Everline, do you find that you're able to kind of point out the things that people might run into or could potentially avoid? Are you helping people prevent these huge mistakes that could be run into?
Absolutely. So I'm a lot like you guys all watching this video here. I started off on my own with no systems whatsoever. I've made all the mistakes. I've jumped through and been burned. I've spent that tens of thousands or even six-figure mistakes where it's like, man, had I had somebody there just with me, would have saved that entire project. Or I'd say, hey, I'm not prepared to do this project because I'm not suited for it. I needed somebody to tell me that as we were going forward with it. And or if it's not me, if it's something that's been unique or that hasn't been caught by myself personally, it's been caught by another franchisee in some way, shape, or form, that we're able to work together to try and catch any of those expensive mistakes and to grow in the most efficient way possible.
It's fantastic. Everybody, if you're looking to make these next steps in your future and spread your wings with a company that is a team-oriented company, a powerful brand that has the backbones and frameworks that you need to be able to truly build and grow, quickly, but also in a controlled environment. Everline is a phenomenal company, and we work with a lot of the franchisees right now for equipment supplies and advice. And I'll tell you, it's a fantastic organization to be a part of. Let's get you set up with a meeting with Everline to really explore the opportunity in the future. Phenomenal company. John, I'm so incredibly proud and feel such an opportunity to be a part of your journey and what you're doing for this industry. Everybody, fill out the form below, and you'll get in touch with one of our Asphalt Kingdom experts that's working very, very closely with Everline. And what we'll do is we'll ask you a series of questions to make sure that we have all the information we need, so that when we go ahead and set that meeting up with Everline, we're making the absolute most out of it. We know that Everline's going to have huge impact on your future. If you're willing to commit, we know that you're going to excel very, very quickly. John, appreciate all your time. Is there any last words you want to share with anybody?
I would say, looking forward to chatting with you guys, even if it's just exploratory, to see if it's a right fit for you and a fit for us. Looking forward to growing together as a brand.
Fantastic. Everybody, you heard it from the man himself, John Evans, president of Everline. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and let's get you started. The journey is so incredible ahead.